Hey, good afternoon guys, it's Gary. So today we're going to do an unboxing of the Ryobi 13 amp 16 inch electric mower. Perfect little plug-in mower for like your little lawn or apartment type of thing. We have just I don't know, maybe 100 square feet or so in the back that we need to mow, keep her, for the dog and stuff. So we're going to do an unboxing on that, and we're going to start right now. Alright guys, so we got the Ryobi 13 amp 16 inch electric mower, lightweight design, single point height adjustment, AC powered, low maintenance, compact easy storage, 3-year Ryobi warranty, and we got it for $99 at Home Depot, regularly $149. There's some box details, so let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing of it. We got here, join the conversation today. We got Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Customer service number there if you need it. Register tools at register.ryobitools.com. And there's our little mower, so we're going to pull it out and then we'll go over it real quick. That's the bag. Alright, so I got all the cardboard off of it, the packing paper. We have a tiny little screw right here and 2 handle knobs and our operating procedures. So what we're going to do is just put the handle up in this location and put our handle nuts on there. So that's what we're going to do now. So there you go, guys. That's the Ryobi 16-inch, 13 amp, single point height adjustment electric mower. Really happy. 31 pounds, cut grass good. So yeah, I'm glad we got it. It makes the yard look a lot better than just doing it with a weed eater. So there's our unboxing and quick review. If you can, give us a thumbs up, like and share down below, give us a comment. If you'd like to see something else, make sure you leave a comment about what it would be. Anywhere from drones to mountain bikes to unboxings. Have a great day, and as always, thank you and God bless. Bye.